RSV Wood Industries. From over 30 years, RSV Wood Industries is specialized in manufacturing doors with specification of builders, architects, and other needs to distinguish their projects. Located in prime industrial outskirts of Kutch, Gujarat, RSV Wood Industries is a well-established organization with state-of-the-art infrastructure and are equipped with latest equipment. RSV's core values are: R stands for reliable, S stands for secure, V stands for value for money. We provide design of traditional and contemporary doors with unbelievable range of customization. RSV Woods is specialized in manufacturing a wide range of panel doors, solid wooden doors, carving doors, laminated doors, flush doors, wire mesh doors, door frames, and wooden windows and frames. Our doors come with high quality and latest trends, expressing the warmth of Indian home. Our range of classic wooden doors are made using superior quality wood that assures durability with minimizing warping and shrinking problems, which is supported by advanced clean drying seasoning system and treatment plants. The minimal maintenance and the quality of our products makes them cost-effective option for your dream house. RSV Wood Industries.